Are you stuck with the no internet secured error? Don't worry. I'll guide you through simple steps to fix it. Let's get started. First, let's make sure your network drivers are up to date. Right-click the Start menu and select Device Manager. Next, expand the Network Adapters section. Locate your Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it, and choose Update Driver. Then, select Search automatically for drivers, and let Windows find the latest version for you. Let's move to the next step. Press Windows +S and type inetcpl.cpl in the search bar. Then, click on the app to open Internet Properties. Next, go to the Connections tab and click on LAN Settings. Here, check the option labeled Use a Proxy Server for your LAN. If it's checked, uncheck it, click OK, and hit Apply to disable the proxy and fix any connection issues. Now, let's move to the third step. Press Windows +S and type ncpa.cpl, then press Enter. Right-click on your Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection and select Properties. Locate Internet Protocol version 6. If it's checked, uncheck it. Then, select Internet Protocol version 4 and click Properties. Ensure both options, Obtain an IP address automatically and Obtain DNS server address automatically, are selected. Click OK to save the changes and close the windows. Finally, let's reset your network settings to restore all configurations to default. Click on the Start menu and open Settings. Go to Network and Internet and scroll down to Advanced Network Settings. Open Network Reset and click Reset Now. Finally, restart your computer and check if the issue is resolved.